Hello everyone, I am Rahul, a professional bookkeeper and co-founder of NRBOOKKEEPING. Today I am going to discuss about very basic but absolutely essential topics in accounting, which is bookkeeping. So what exactly is bookkeeping and why it is important? Let's dive into it. Bookkeeping is the process of recording all the financial transactions a business makes, which includes sales, purchase, receipts and payments. In simple terms, bookkeeping is all about keeping track of every dollar that comes in and goes out of your business. So you might be wondering, isn't that just accounting? Well, not quite. Bookkeeping is actually part of accounting, but it is more focused on organizing and maintaining records, accurate records. Think of it as the foundation of accounting process. Without proper bookkeeping, it would be very difficult to produce financial statement or understand a business's financial health. So bookkeeping can be done in two ways: a single entry system and double entry system. In a single entry system, each transaction record only once, and which is typically used in smaller companies. On the other hand, the double entry system, which is very common in larger companies, record every transaction twice, once as debit and once as credit, and it ensures that your books are always balanced. So bookkeeping is crucial for few reasons. First, it helps business to keep accurate records of their income and expenses. This is not essential only for making informed financial decision, but also staying compliant with your tax laws. Good bookkeeping allows you to track the growth of your business, manage cash flows, and prepare for the audit without the stress. Imagine trying to remember every single transaction at the year end. That would be impossible. That's where bookkeeping comes as your financial memory. And trust me, having accurate records will save you lots of headaches. So what do bookkeepers actually do? Here are a few tasks. First is recording daily transaction. The second is reconciling bank statement. Third is managing accounts receivable and payable. And last but not the least, generating financial statements. These tasks may sound simple, but they require consistency and accuracy. Even the smallest mistake can cause issues down the road. That's why effective bookkeeping is considered as the backbone of a strong financial management system. Bookkeeping is essential for all types of businesses. Whether you are a small business owner, a freelancer, or managing a large corporation, accurate bookkeeping is vital for staying on top of your finance. Alright, now you have a better understanding of what is bookkeeping and why it is important. Remember, bookkeeping is all about keeping your financial house in order. This is not just about the number, but also about making smarter data-driven decisions. So thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like it. And let me know in the comment section if you want any deeper dive into any specific bookkeeping concept. Until next time, keep your book balanced and your business thriving. See you.